Congratulations to I and Jolene Alf Mabruk to the both of you. Eli, how are you? How do you feel tonight?
I'm very happy. Oh.
Thank you so much, full of strength, Jolene. And in behalf of her family, the only request that we want to ask from you is to inshallah take care of her. Okay? Otherwise, we will all wait for you outside. All the Filipino will wait for you. Ma'am Joliet, we would like to let you know that you are so hello. You are so beautiful tonight. You are just so perfect together. Mabruk, mabruk! Once again, yeah. What? Too early for the kiss, but congratulations, finally. I heard you've been together for like 2 years. 2 years, right? Alhamdulillah, you married her already. No more backing out, okay? No more backing out. And hopefully you'll have your babies soon, inshallah. Please remain standing, everyone. And I would like to request Mr. Armando Valentino to lead us in prayer. It's in you.
What?
No, not you. It's a prank. Sir, good evening. Please lead us.
Think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go.